Yeah. So this is the problem, right? Now instead of fourth, we'll be doing fifth problem. Okay. Problem number 5. Bank reconciliation statement. You're requested to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement of bank reconciliation statement of, yes sir, bank reconciliation statement of, yes, of so and so. No, the name is not given. As on 31st March 2017. Okay, 2017. Okay, so particulars, amount. Okay, particulars, amount. Or, you know, shall we go plus and minus columns? Plus and minus? No, this is good. Okay, this is okay. So,
Sir, you are doing this in which method, sir?
add.
Add
What
and,
you're doing is
and minus.
balance as per cash book or passbook. Fifth problem, problem number 5. Cash book, right? Okay. Add items will take here. Then less items will take here. Okay. Add and less. Right? Okay. So what's the balance as per cash book? 40,960. 40,960. So this, add first transaction. Transaction 1 is, yes, bank charges not recorded in the cash book, correct? Bank charges, problem 5. Yeah, bank charges. What's the first transaction? What is the first transaction? Bank charges. Okay. Not entered in the cash book. Bank charges not entered in the cash book. When bank charges are not entered, as per the cash book, the balance is, bank balance is more, as the passbook balance is less. So when you're starting with cash book, reduce it to the level of cash book. Okay. So bank charges. Okay, bank charges debited only in passbook. Bank charges debited only in passbook. How much? 100. Next transaction, please. Next transaction. There is some item amount directly paid by the customers into your account. How much? 2,000. So direct payment into direct deposit, let's say. Direct deposit into bank. Okay. Direct. This is not shown in the cash book. As per cash book, amount is less, but as per passbook, because of the deposit, passbook increase. So to make it equal, you have to raise the cash book balance also by adding 2,000. Okay, 2,000. Right. Next, what's the next transaction? Checks issued but not presented for payment. Okay. Now, when checks are issued, look at this one. You know, cash and bank balance. Cash balance in the bank as for the cash book and as for the passbook are same. When you issue check, cash book balance came down, but the passbook balance remains the same. So there's a difference. So to make it equal, when you're starting with cash book, raise it so that again it is back. Okay, checks issued. This is A, this is B. Checks issued but not presented. Checks issued but not presented. Checks issued but not presented. Presented. 12,980. Next transaction, please. C is done. D. Yeah. Discounting charges not recorded in, there are some discounting charges. Discounting charge. What is discount? Sometimes the bills are discounted. There's a separate topic called bills of exchange. So whenever you want money, what you'll do, you take the bill and give it to the banker. If the bill value is 1 lakh, you will say, sir, discount it and give me money. I need money. The bill value may be 1 lakh, but the banker will discount it with 10%, let us say. He will give you 90,000, and when it is matured, he will take 1 lakh from the person from whom this money is to be collected. Okay, that's called discounting. So what is that? That's a loss for you, right? You're supposed to get 1 lakh, but you got only 90,000. 10,000 is lost. That's discounting charge. That's discounting charge. So that is shown only in the passbook. It is not shown in the cash book. So because the discount charges are shown in the cash passbook, the passbook balance came down, but the cash book remained the same. So in order to reconcile with this passbook, what you have to do, you have to reduce it, bring it down to the level of passbook. How much? Discounting charges, how much? Huh? Discounting charges, 800. Discounting charges. Discounting charges. Discounting charges. Discounting charges. Okay, 800. I'm not writing full, okay, but you have to write in full. Discounting charges recorded only in the passbook, but not in cash book. That's full, you have to write. Full sentence you have to write. Next, what is the next item? Next item. E. Yeah, you have deposited, checks deposited but not credited. That's it. It is a check deposited but not credit. Okay. Checks or amount deposited, is it amount? Check only. Check. Amount deposited, not check. Amount deposited, not credited. Okay, not credited in passbook. In passbook. How much is the amount? 3,520. 3,520. 3,520. Okay. Next. What's the next transaction? F. Checks dishonored. Checks dishonored, but not recorded in the cash book. Look at this one. It is nothing but check deposited but not credited. It is nothing but check deposited but not credited. Every time wording will be changing. So F, check deposited but not credited. Okay, checks deposited but not credited. Not credited. Check deposited but not credited. Check deposited but not credited. How much? 650. 650. 650. Next. Next. Yeah. That's it. All the transactions are over. Okay, take the total of less items and the total of add items. Yeah, 14,980 is the total of add. Okay. So 54, what's the amount? 55,000. 55,940. 55,940. Okay. From this, 55,940. From this, deduct the total of less items. 100 plus 800 plus 3,520 plus 650. How much? 50,870. Okay. 50,870. 50,870. And what you get is overdraft. Okay. Yeah, overdraft. Huh? Okay, credit balance. Okay, balance as per. Balance as per passbook. Now, when you say overdraft, if this amount is more than, this amount okay, if this amount is more than this amount, then it is overdraft. So this is less than this, right? What is the amount? 5,000, 4,000. Yeah. What is this total? Tell me.
5,070. 5,070.
5,070. Okay. Okay. So 50,870 is the answer. They are telling me the answer. Right, but this is the answer.
Sir, so balance as per cash book is 50,870, right?
Correct.
Passbook. Sorry.
Yes. Passbook.
Sir, I just wanted to ask another thing. Please ask for posting of fourth problem, and I want to tell you, I want you to tell again how you take OD.
Okay.
Passbook OD.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, there's a request from online students, okay, from the offline students. Those who have done the fourth problem with neat handwriting. Yeah, Sultan. Yeah. Yeah, like, yeah, Sultan can post it. Yeah, please post it in the group. Don't post all of you, okay? It will be a trash. Right? Yeah, that is done. Request 1 is done, Sabri. Okay, Sultan is posting. And request 2 is Sultan is asking, sorry, no, Sultan. Sabri is asking for clarifications on the debit balance, credit balance as per, listen, the debit balance, credit balance as per cash book, debit and credit balance as per passbook. Will anybody take this issue? I've already explained to you. Anybody would like to respond to Sabri? Yeah. What you can do now, you can log in and speak out. You can log into the same link and speak out if anybody wants to clarify Sabri. Who wants to clarify Sabri? When you're clarifying, you're consolidating your confidence in that particular topic. When you're speaking out, you're consolidating that. What you have learned, you're consolidating. Malik, would you like to share? There's a confusion. Yeah. There's a confusion, for the online students. What is this debit balance, credit balance as per passbook, as per cash book? So can you just speak out? Online. You just log in and speak. No, picture he is putting. Sultan is putting picture. Sabri, the time is up. Okay. You call me or message me. Okay, Sabri?
Okay,
you
sir.
message me or better call me. I'll speak to you.
Okay, sir.